So if you're wondering if your Mercedes has FBS4 or FBS3, then I'll show you how to find out exactly which one it has. So if you were wondering, FBS is basically a Mercedes encryption method that they use for the ignition and the keys. So FBS3 was about 98 to 2015 for the most part, and then FBS4 it's 2015ish and up. But around 2015, not all models, some models had the FBS4 earlier and some didn't have it till later on. So this is how you check, and this is important because if you want to make keys right now, FBS4 is the time of this video, locksmiths are not going to be able to do it. You have to go to the dealer. If you have a FBS3 key ignition and so on, well, it's a lot easier to make keys, to program, the valve body, ISM, engine control unit, and all those are much easier to program. So this is very valuable information to know, so that going forward what you're dealing with. So on the YOUCANIC scanner, turn on the ignition, then go to diagnostic, then select your make, then select smart VIN, then press OK. Have the ignition on, otherwise it won't pick the VIN. And sometimes it might not pick the VIN regardless, even if the ignition is on. You can try with the engine running, but if it doesn't, then you just have to manually select the model. Don't enter the VIN, just select the model there. Select control modules, go to body, go to ignition, electronic ignition. Sometimes might have slightly different names. The EIS, that's a pretty common one for Mercedes. But go to live data and then status of FBS4, and then you can see right there, here this car has FBS4. Sometimes you might just have like all values, so you have to look under these. If it doesn't have that right there, look under one of these, it will have light data and it'll say FBS3 or 4 depending on what you have. And that's how you can check. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.